Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I use the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. I then go in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. And I start off with using a brush to buff it in. I then move on to a sponge to add a little bit more coverage, but also to press into the skin a little bit more and get rid of any brush strokes that may have happened while using the brush. I used the E.L.F. Camo Concealer and the Urban Decay Naked Concealer, and I was trying to mix the two, one, so that see if I could like the Camo Concealer, and two, to help darken the concealer because the Camo one was way too light. But still, I hate the Camo one, so I will not be repurchasing it, as I've stated previously in other videos. And then I tried to add just a little bit more coverage. And then I highlighted the rest of my face as I normally would. I then go in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder to set my under eyes, my eyelids, and then I do the rest of my face. First I fix that spot. I then go in and I bake around my chin and my nose. I go in with the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in O2 Sun Kiss. I just feel it gives me like the perfect bronzy skin. I use the Tatcha Dewy Luminous Skin Mist to add hydration back into the face. And then I go in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. I do not know what shade it is, but I will leave it down below. I go in with the Bellapierre Loose Mineral Blush. I meld all those layers together with the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Setting Spray. I used the Natasha Denona and the Tarte Unleashed palette. However, I realized after doing the look that I could have just used the Tarte Unleashed palette, but I love my Natasha Denona one and really wanted to use it. So I just took Toucan Do It, which is the lighter of the two orange shades in the palette, and use that as my crease and transition shade, and I'm just building it up and mapping out the eye shape that I want to do. I then go in with Jasper from the Natasha Denona palette, which is basically a dupe for No Fox Given, which is in the Unleashed palette. And then I switched brushes because this brush just wasn't doing what I wanted. I just ended up using a big fat shader brush and it gave me the outcome that I wanted. And this is just a clean blending brush that I use to buff out the edges and blend everything seamlessly together. And I just repeated the steps on my other eye. I then repeat the steps down on my lower lash line, taking Jasper first and then buffing that out with Toucan Do It. I then take Swan Song and use that on my inner corner. And while doing this, I screw up a little bit, so I decided to take a very small blending brush and fix it, and I liked the gradient that it added, so I proceed to do it to both eyes. And the final showdown with my setting spray, last and final one, I use MAC Fix Plus. Press it all in so there's no water spot. And then fill in my brows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I then set my brows with the Anastasia pomade dip pomade gel. Whatever. It's the matching gel from Anastasia. I'm using Tarte's Big Ego mascara. I actually do prefer using this mascara with a primer. I don't feel it gives the results I like without a primer, but I use this because I'm putting false lashes on. And then I meld them together just a little bit. And I'm using the Milani Bold Matte in the shade 04 I'm Smart. I apologize for being out of frame while doing this. Also, I don't like watching people put lipstick on. It's one of my cringe-worthy moments, so I'm sparing you all that. I then top this lipstick with Maybelline's Baddest Beige lipstick. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of every time that I upload, and I will see you in my next one.